Hey y'all, it's time to make some spooky charcuterie for the holidays. So take your hand and some parchment paper and a Sharpie and just kind of trace it out. And then flip that piece of paper over and use that as your guide. Take some of these prosciutto wrapped mozzarella sticks to make fingers and this mozzarella prosciutto roll where it's kind of rolled up in a while. As the wrist, and then get some of that flavored cream cheese. It can be whatever flavor you want to use, and make that like the connecting hand section with a spatula, and then get some prosciutto slices and just wrap up all of that cream cheese filling. Once you've made it all nice and creepy looking with all that prosciutto, grab a red bell pepper and use that to shape some red nails for this hand. And then get some crackers or whatever you'd like to use as a dip. Pull off a finger and give it a chomp. Happy Halloween, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this little charcuterie plate.